and welcome back. In this video you will learn about sports psychology and what it's about. So what is sports psychology? Sports psychology is the scientific study of the thoughts, feelings and behaviour of people engaged in sport and exercise activities and the application of the knowledge gained. Researchers in the field have two major objectives: to understand how psychological factors affect a person's physical performance, and also to understand how participating in physical activity affects a person's psychological development and well-being. Here's another definition. Sports psychology is the study of how psychology influences sports, athletic performance, exercise and physical activity. Some sports psychologists work with professional athletes and coaches to improve their mindset and performance, resilience and motivation. Sports psychology interventions are designed to help athletes and other sports participants, including coaches, managers and parents, from a wide array of settings. All levels of competition and ages can benefit from sports psychology, ranging from grassroots participants to professional and Olympic athletes to master level performers. A sports psychologist or NLP coach often helps athletes cope with the intense pressure that comes from competition. They help them deal with a lack of confidence, a lack of focus and motivation, and provide them with mental strategies to increase their performance. They also work with athletes to recover from injuries. Sports psychologists can also help regular people learn how to enjoy sports and learn to stick to an exercise program. Sports psychology is a fairly young discipline within psychology. In 1920, Carl Diem founded the world's first sports psychology lab in Berlin, Germany. By the 1980s, sports psychology became more prevalent and the subject of a more rigorous scientific focus. Researchers began to explore how psychology could be used to improve athletic performance, as well as how exercise could be utilised to improve mental well-being and lower stress levels. There are a number of different topics that can be covered during a consultation, including self-confidence, performance anxiety, motivation, focus, concentration, emotional management, state management and visualization. Some of you might be asking, what's the difference between NLP, an NLP sports coach, and a sports psychologist? Sports psychology is more a long-term process in which the athlete works with a professional to diagnose and resolve problematic beliefs, behaviours, relationships, feelings and poor performances. It is similar to therapy, with the idea behind it to focus on negative past situations and issues to change the self-destructive habits and work through the feelings. In this sense, the sessions actually focus on the past and on introspection and analysis, with the hope of resolving past issues and creating a more confident, resilient future. So what does an NLP sports coach do? Well, the difference between an NLP sports coach and a sports psychologist is that an NLP sports coach sets up clients with a process that may be long or short term, instead of regular sessions. In NLP sports coaching, an athlete works to clarify goals, identify obstacles and problematic behaviours in order to create action plans to achieve desired results. The process of NLP sports coaching takes the client's current starting point as a line in the sand and is more action-based from that point onward. An NLP coach enables the athlete receiving treatment to take control of their life and take action to steer it towards their goals. The wonderful thing about using NLP sports coaching is that a client is trained to use a wide range of tools and techniques. These NLP techniques help the client change their mindset and how they can change their state and therefore their performance. NLP sports coaching uses a vast array of NLP techniques. Here are a few: anchoring for being in the right performance state, setting outcomes, performance and process goals, habit change, change your patterns of thinking, feeling and your actions. Self-hypnosis, you learn to be calm and relaxed and keep calm. Emotional release, change unpleasant sporting memories. And visualization, to eliminate fear and anxiety and to be more confident. Also look at mental rehearsal techniques to enhance technical performance. In a nutshell, a sports psychologist focuses on why certain behavioural patterns occur, and NLP sports coaches work on the how to work towards a goal, with the practical tools and techniques to overcome the obstacles a person has. I've designed this course to take the best approaches from both sports psychology and the field of neuro-linguistic programming. As well as the concepts, the videos give you some to-dos with the tools and techniques that you can use to perform better in your chosen arena. Okay, that's it for this one. Let's get started.